Good afternoon, my amazing scientists. It's Miss Breslin coming at you from my classroom. Today it is Thursday, and our warm-up is renewable and non-renewable energy sources. So we're going to review this data chart and then get our minds thinking again about renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's get started. The table below lists 3 types of fuels used by humans. For each fuel, the table also lists the source as well as the percentage of the energy that is used in the USA that comes from this fuel. So before we even move on and we look at the question, we want to look at this data table and figure out how we can make sense of it. So that's the first thing we want to do. So we have fuel type, coal, natural gas, oil. We have the source, remains of land plants for coal, tiny ocean organisms for natural gas, and tiny ocean organisms for oil. And then the percentage of energy used in the USA is 21% for coal, 25% for natural gas, and 37% for oil. So just looking at this table and trying to make sense of it, what are some conclusions that you came up with? If you noticed that coal has the least percentage used in America, you are correct. If you noticed that oil has the most percentage used in the US, you are correct. Good job. All right, so now that we've made a little bit of sense of this chart and figured some things out, did some noticings, let's see what it's going to ask us. The information in the table provides evidence for which of the following statements? So I'm looking at this chart to figure out which one of these statements is true or is supported by that chart. A, more oil is used in the USA than in any other country. Does it talk about any other country? No! Sorry about that. Every time. Bye! The fuel we use for energy are found only in the ocean. Is that supported on here? Let's see. This is found in the ocean. Oil. Natural gas is found in the ocean. Coal is found on land. So no. Bye. And then we are left with 2 options. All of these fuel types come from natural resources, or non-renewable resources cause the most pollution. I'm going to leave you with those 2 choices, and you try to make sense of what you see on this chart and which is the best choice. I'll let you know tomorrow what the answer is. Bye! Oh, wait, just kidding. I did not put a video on our actual assignment because it is a test. Before we do that, we are going to finish watching our Generation Genius from yesterday and finish filling out our notes just so we can review before we take the test. And then we are going to take the test. I want to show you something new that I have put on the test. So this is what your test looks like. And I have put something on there. Oh, wait. This is not your test. Hold on. Here it is. That was confusing. So I put this on your test to try to help you. You press play. What is your name? And it reads the question and answers for you. So I'll give you an example here. We are able to see an object only if A, it is bigger than our eyes, B, it is very close to our eyes, C, it reflects to our eyes. Or D, it is able to reach an object without being reflected. There you go. So, make sure you press that so you can hear this read aloud to you, and do your best. You only get one try. These are all things that we've learned, and think about it because most of these things are common sense. And so just put a little thought into it and you should do great. Don't forget, anybody who gets 100%, I'll sweeten the deal. I'll give you 2 tickets and a bag of Takis. So good luck. I hope you get 100%. Bye.